Hi there, I'm How. This is just another video of me solving random number problem. So given an integer array of nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicate in place such that each unique element appear only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same, okay? And return the number of unique elements in the num. So consider the number of unique element of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Train the num array such that k element of the num contain a unique element in the order they were present in the num initially. Okay, and the remaining element are not important. So k would be the length of the unique element. So after we remove the duplicate, k is the remaining length, I think. Yeah. So let's look at an example here. We have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4. So you can iterate over each element. We can have our index here by starting at 0. And we can look at 0 here. You can start index 1, right? Because the first element will always be unique, right? If the array only have one element, right, then of course it is unique. Yeah. So if the array have at least length 1, then we iterate. Right? If the array length is empty, we can just return 0. So we start index here at index 1. Okay, so let me write out index here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? So we compare the um we compare the value at index 1 and index 0, right? If they are different, then we're gonna set the value here by pressing the other the same. We'll just keep moving on to the next element. Now 1 and 0 are different, right? Because remember our index is working here, right? So now the two values are different. So we increment our index by 1, and then we set the number here to be 1. Okay. So because the array is sorted, we know that all of the duplicate element will be next to each other, right? Okay, so we go to the next element, right? They are the same, right? So we just keep moving on into here, right? Now we found uh, 2 different than 1, right? So we increment our index by 1, set the number here, right? And we continue, same, right? And now we have a different one. So we increment our index by 1, we set the number here, right? Same, 4 is different than 3, so we increment our index by 1 and set 4 here, 4. Now we are done, right? We are finished iterating to our input array. This our pen. So after we are finished, right? The index here, right, is representing the index in the original array, and we want to return the length, right? So we can return index plus 1. Okay, so that is the strategy. Let's code this up. So we're gonna have the index here. So we have a special case, right? If the number is empty, if the array is empty, length is equal to 0, we can return 0. We want to return index plus 1, remember? So we need to iterate through the array. Okay. If the nums at the index is different from the nums at the I, right? Then we want to increment our index and set the value to be the nums at I. And then we can start from index 1 as mentioned earlier. Okay. and thank you for watching.